Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of growing big, beautiful, and absolutely delicious peppers right in your own backyard, then you're in the right place. I used to struggle with getting my pepper plants to really thrive. They'd be small, the yields would be disappointing, and I just couldn't figure out what I was doing wrong. But then, I discovered a simple homemade fertilizer that completely changed my pepper growing game. And today, I'm sharing that exact recipe with you. Forget those expensive, chemical-heavy store-bought fertilizers. This is an all-natural solution that your pepper plants will absolutely love. The secret ingredient. It's something you probably already have in your kitchen. Are you ready for it? It's molasses. That's right, simple, unsulfured molasses. Mixed with a couple of other key ingredients, it creates a superfood for your soil and your plants. So here's the magic recipe. You'll need 1 gallon of water, 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses, and 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. That's it. The molasses feeds the beneficial microbes in your soil, which in turn helps your plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. The Epsom salt provides a fantastic boost of magnesium and sulfur, which are crucial for chlorophyll production and overall plant vigor. Just mix everything together in a watering can until it's fully dissolved. Now for the application. You'll want to use this mixture to water the base of your pepper plants once every 2 weeks. Don't overdo it, consistency is key. Start applying it once your plants have established themselves after transplanting, maybe when they have a few sets of true leaves. Within a few weeks, you'll start to notice a huge difference. The leaves will become a deeper, richer green. The stems will get thicker and stronger. And soon enough, you'll see an explosion of flowers and, ultimately, more peppers than you know what to do with. This simple trick has given me my best pepper harvests ever, year after year. We're talking vibrant, crisp bell peppers and fiery hot peppers with incredible flavor. It's so rewarding to see your plants thrive using a natural homemade solution. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. I can't wait to hear about your amazing pepper harvests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing!